is given to us, first what you do is you should say, this is the formula. First you should see what is the top side and come to the left side and go on till the last left, then take the last left. So this is the last left, then come to the equivalent right side. Okay, then cover up the tree. I explained you how to do that. So this is our question. If this is the question, perform a pre-order search on the tree below. Okay, so this will be given to you. The answer is from here. First is, you see there is a tree here. Okay, so this part you are having a tree. Okay, so this part you are having a tree here. Now look at only this circle. See, there is a left side and there is a right side. If you want the pre-order search, take the left side first. If you come to the left side, again we are finding a tree here. Okay, so look at this oval only. Okay, you have a tree, one, left, right. Okay, so if you are having a binary tree, again come to the left side. If you again come to the left side, again there is a binary tree here. Okay, so coming down. So here, but here we are having only one side. It is not a problem. Okay, so we are having only one side here. Now come down. If you come here, there is no last tree. Okay, so there is no further left. So you start from the top, take the left. Again, if there is a left possible, take the left. Again, if there is a left possible, take the left. Come to the last place. So according to this one, first you should take the top, then left, then right. So first you write the top. What is the top? The top value is G here. Okay, the top G, write it. So once you are starting from here, write it. Okay, so this we are writing first. Then come to the left. So here we are having a tree. Take the top. Take this top, write it. Now here we are having a left. Come down. Again we are having a binary tree. So write the top side for this. So we write the top side for this. Then again come down, we have a left side. Okay, so write this. There is no other tree available. Stop here. So this is fourth place. Okay, so we write this here. Now you see if there is any right side here. If there is a right side, you write 5. Okay, so what we have to do? Top, left, right. If there is no right available, just leave it, no problem. Okay, so if there is no right available, come to the above level. So what is above level? This is the above level. So we have written the top, we finish the left, come to this right side. Come to this right side. If you are coming to the right side, you see again there is a binary tree. Again there is a binary tree. So how to proceed? You should write the top, then go left. So what is the top? Top is R. Come down to the left side. So left side is the last end. So you write this as the 6th number. Okay, E. So whatever is coming here, you write it E. I am writing it here. So if you look at that, there is no further right possible. No further right possible. So leave it. Now, what are the things we have covered? We have covered this tree, and this tree. Now come back to this. So all the left side of these trees are covered. Now come to the right side. Now when you are coming to the right side here, again we are having a tree. Tree means like this. Again we are having a tree. So write the top side. Okay, write the top side, come to the left one. So 7th place we are having what? N. So write the N. Okay, then come left. Now when you're coming to the left, again we have a tree here. So how to proceed? You should write the top, left, right. Okay, so P, A, P. So P, A, P. So this left side is finished means come to the right side. So on the right side we are having only one. Okay, this is I. Okay, so I. So you see, this complete binary tree was written in the pre-order search. Okay, so this is just for our fun. We are writing with the letters, but you will have something like expressions. Okay, so you will have some expressions like this.